President Hoover's proposal to suspend both reparation and debt payments is a wise and courageous one. Therefore, this country responded at once to Mr. Hoover's appeal. The payments that we have been making to America under that scheme will be suspended. We shall also suspend the payment of debts to us by foreign countries. And in order that we might prove our genuineness, we added to that an excuse of our dominions and India of the payments that they had to make to us under the war debt settlement. That means to us a loss of £12 million. We are undertaking a very heavy burden at this time. But nevertheless, I feel perfectly confident that Mr. Hoover's most helpful effort will make a great contribution to the revival of world trade.